Mother Nature gave us this place. She didn't miss a detail. 1,000 shiny stars lighting this side of the universe. Green grass surrounds the cliffs, and the seagull flies in circles. This place is not just a dream, it's the shelter of dreamers. Like a angel that in the end shows up, leaving behind the storm. John's been drifting around the seas, searching secrets from the waters, and finally got you this way. Here there's anything he deserves. Well, sometimes life gives us more than a little distraction. Sometimes life ain't enough, at least for people like him. But Captain Young in the end shows up, leaving behind the storm. But Captain Young in the end shows up, leaving behind the storm. Mother Nature gave us this place. She didn't miss a detail.